take it off now. This is our second attempt.
Second attempt. And ours is only the first video, so.
Okay.
Okay, go over there.
No! I'm not hurting myself. I'm the man, remember? You're the woman.
Can you hold?
Okay, go.
I'm scared.
Just stay over there.
This is what I was talking on Facebook.
Wait, here, videotape it.
Antonia did. Hold on, no. Oh, so what is orientation? Alright, here we go.
Wait, no, you have to videotape.
You have to videotape.
No, because I can't see over the bed.
Yeah. Already said them. Okay, here we go. And that is it. That was awesome. Yeah. Here we go. Delete whatever.